And today, let's see, our Ojibwe word of the day. What do you think, sweetie? What would be a good Ojibwe word of the day? Do you want to talk about men and women again? Yeah, okay. So today, our Ojibwe words of the day. ININI and IKWE, man and woman. ININI and IKWE. And yesterday, I created quite a stir on the internet. Did you hear about this, sweetie? What? Oh, the internet blew up. I crashed the internet. No. I made some claims yesterday about, differences between men and women. And I dared to generalize. I said there were two genders and that they were different.
Oh, wow.
And so when I said yesterday, I was talking about how men don't get jealous like women do. I was saying that women are better at being jealous than we are. It was kind of a slam. But I also made some very generalized statements about what men were better at. I said that men in general were stronger. We have stronger upper body strengths. Mm-hmm. That doesn't mean that there aren't some women who are stronger than some men.
Yeah, huh?
I'm just saying most men are stronger in upper body strength than most women. It's just like saying most men are taller than most women. There's exceptions all over the place. But, you can generalize like this. And so most men are, stronger, therefore faster. So men are generally better at physical things like sports. So we're better at sports. It's not sexist. It's just what it is. We're better at sports. But there are some things that women are better than men at. Not sports, and not, running or throwing or jumping. We got that. And then, of course, the arts. So historically, probably because of sexism, but men generally write the stories. Shakespeare and the poets are generally men. And yeah, there's exceptions. There's a few women in history. Mary Shelley, she wrote Frankenstein.
Yeah.
But then there are like 1,000 male published authors, And movies are generally written by men. And, certainly humor, comedy. Stand-up comedians and comedy writers just have always been predominantly more men than women. We seem pretty good at humor. And but women are better than us at a lot of things. Just not, like computers. That seems to be kind of a guy thing. Guys like to tinker with computers. And, certainly engineering, like mechanical engineering, inventing stuff. Men basically invented everything. And yeah, I think women invented a few things. So not sports, not writing. Oh, and drawing and sculpture and painting, basically, is a kind of a male-dominated field. From Michelangelo to Leonardo da Vinci to anybody, Picasso, Van Gogh, they're all men. So men are typically more artistic than women. What else? Building. Men like to build forts and that. So men, women do build this stuff. I'm just saying what men are like. This is ININI. This is men stuff. So sports, computers, writing, drawing, sculpture, building buildings, and, making, even digging ditches and that. Digging, we're better diggers. Making bridges, castles. Oh, weapons. Men are, more, usually a better aim. Sword fighting, archery, and of course hunting and fishing, and of course, and just basically providing. Making money. I mean, for whatever reason, men earn more money than women. They're going to want to tell you, it's the wage gap, but guys will take, higher paying jobs like plumbing and electrical and construction, Let's see what else. Men are, so we're faster, smarter, more creative. But otherwise, men and women are absolutely equal. So quit feeling like you're not so great. Oh, and you know what else? We're better parents. When a boy has a father in his life, he's like way less likely to end up with all the bad things, from going to jail to not graduating from high school, to being a drug addict, to getting a girl pregnant out of wedlock. All the bad stuff is less likely to happen if you're raised with your dad, as opposed to if you're raised with a single mom. But otherwise, women are superior, except for all those things. But you know what? It's not even a competition. That's what I'm trying to say. Men and women, there's two of us. We're different, but equal. But we're not equal. We're different. You can't be different and equal. They're prettier.
Yeah.
They're, we wouldn't be here without them. Not that much. It's all right. You've been awfully quiet over there.
What? No, I'm just listening.
Do you disagree with any of this?
Not at all.
I know you wouldn't. Because you're the perfect woman.
I know.
All right, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you for listening. Miigwech bizendawieg. And our Ojibwe word, ININI, man. IKWE, woman. Woman. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Okay. All right.
Hey guys, if you'd like to support the show, please give us a thumbs up. And you can click a link in the description if you'd like to sign up on Patreon, support us monthly. We also have a PayPal if you want for a one-time donation. And Michael Lyons has some children's books in the Ojibwe language available on Amazon. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Miigwech Ganawabieg, BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa, Minowa.